Assalamu alaikum. Last week we completed the digging and blasting work for our sewer pipeline. Behind me you can see the pile of stone. Inshallah, we will repurpose this stone towards our parking lot construction, which will begin soon. We are sharing the links for you to donate. Alhamdulillah, we have met our goals almost every Friday thanks to the support from you, our extended community. We ask that you please share the links, the videos with your family and friends across the globe. Make it go viral. Okay, give them the opportunity to, inshallah, earn sadqa jariyah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.